Hi, this is the screen replacement tutorial for the Acer Aspire 5750Z-4830. First, begin by turning off the laptop. You will need one Phillips screwdriver. Any will do. Then begin by unscrewing the bottom two corners of the laptop screen. There's going to be two black paddings on top of it, so just take that off and then you'll see the screws. Then start by taking out the frame. It'll start snapping off easily. Unscrew the corners. Begin by the bottom. Put them aside. They may fall down, so be careful. There's going to be a plug on in the back, which is the only plug that you'll have to disconnect. Down right there. Begin by peeling this wire off, and then there's going to be a little sticker on top of the plug. All you got to do is take the sticker off and take out the plug. There's going to be 6 screws, 3 on each side. I recommend by starting from the bottom. I started from the top, but then later I realized simply take out the screen, simple as that. Bring out your new screen. Plug it in. Check the screen first to make sure it's fully functional. Power it off. Disconnect it for now. Begin by screwing in the 6 screws that you took off. Begin by the top. Then begin by placing the back of the cover back on. Plug it in. Make sure it's all the way connected. Make sure it's all the way in. Connect the top two screws again. Maybe easier to put your laptop like this, not too far back. Screw in the last screws. Screw in the two screws that are more closer to the middle first, and then screw the last two screws when you put the frame back on. Once screwing in those two screws, begin by taking off the screen protector. Then put in the frame back on to the screen. Make sure everything snaps back on. Make sure the bottom snaps back on. Then by doing so, you may screw in the last two screws for the replacement. And then you may put on the black paddings on top of them if you have them. And then you're done with your screen replacement.